Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Professor Sistrunk, and I'm reaching out to the student body. Okay, students, we are embarking on the end of the semester. As I like to call it, this is the end game. So we're getting ready to close this semester out. So I want to reach out to you to give you a heads up on what I need you to do to close this semester out. The first thing I want you to do is look at your syllabus and make sure that you have completed all of your assignments and you're on point of what your next steps are. The second thing I want you to do is look through your D2L portal and make sure you have completed all of your assignments. The third thing I want you to do is begin to go through any of the portals that you are using. For instance, if you are in my Linux class, you know you are using the Netacad portal. If you're in my CIS 101 class, you know that you're using the Pearson portal. So what you have to do is make sure you have completed all of your work. Now, for those of you who may need to meet with me, you know that I am online in a Zoom meeting from Monday to Thursdays from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Try your best not to wait until the last moment to come see me. Let's get it out the way. Let's talk about it. Let's do whatever we have to do to make sure you are in good standing before I put the final grade in. And that's what we're talking about, the final grade. Now, here's the most important thing. You need to recheck 3 or 4 times to make sure you have selected the day to go and take your final exam. That's critically important because you know for your final exam, you're going to the testing center on the college campus. So make sure you have that day selected and you will show up early. At least try to get there 15 to 20 minutes early, people. And let me say this, the people who work at the testing center, their job is not to help you figure out how to take your test. Their job is to simply look at the password, put the password in, and allow you to start the test and monitor your every move. That's all. You shouldn't be asking them a million questions. And if you're not clear before you go to the testing center, meet with me. Don't wait till the last minute. Now, by far, 99.9% of you guys are doing magnificent. Kudos to you. You on top of it. But this is the time after the holiday, we're getting ready to close things out, when people start making mistakes. Do not make mistakes now. We're in the end games. We're going to close this out. Now I'm sending this to you early, but this will be your last discussion question. And all I want you to do in this discussion question, after you review it, is tell me how significant was this class for you. Did it help you? That's all I want to know. Did it help you? This is a simple thing. You don't have to respond to no other student. You just simply going to answer this question. Did this class help you on your journey to go to the next level? And whatever the next level be, you can be getting certifications, you can be getting a job, you can be getting certificates, you can be getting a degree. Whatever you deem the next level is, that's all I want to know in this discussion question. You're going to share it with me, you're going to share it with your other students, but you do not have to respond to any student. We're going to close this semester out and get ready for the spring semester. Now, some of you know that, and you communicated with me that you're choosing your next classes already. people, do not wait to the last minute to choose your next classes, because they get filled quickly. And with me, if you know me, if my class is full, I'm not doing no extra. I said I'm not doing no extra. You know what I mean. Let's go ahead and get those classes chosen. You have these last 2 weeks, and also you'll have time before the semester starts. But don't be that person waiting to the last minute. Choose your classes and let's get rolling for the spring semester. Okay? With that being said, that's all I wanted to talk about. Please pay attention to what I'm saying in this discussion question and this video log, because I want to make sure you end this semester with a bang, doing magnificent, doing great, and moving forward. With that being said, this is Professor Sistrom, and I'll see you in the next semester. But remember, we're not through yet. Let's close it out correctly. Bye-bye.